Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install one of the famous IDEs of Java, that is IntelliJ IDE on Windows. So first of all, open any of your favorite browsers, go to Google and just type IntelliJ IDEA download. And you can see the first link from jetbrains.com. So just click on that download IntelliJ IDEA link, and you can see here there are like three operating systems displayed: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So just click on Windows, and under it you can see two editions: Ultimate and Community editions. Ultimate edition is a trial version which is like free for only 30 days, and Community edition is free and open source. So just click on this download, and the file should get downloaded. So it's around 600 MB, so more than 600 MB, and you should just wait for the complete file to get downloaded. Once the file gets downloaded, just navigate to the directory where your file is downloaded. You can see the file downloaded in the download section. This is my exe file. So just right click on this. So we downloaded IntelliJ IDE now. We are going to install it now. So just right click on it and just say run as administrator. And you will see a screen here, the community edition setup screen, the first screen. So just click on this next button, and you need to choose the destination folder where you want IntelliJ IDEA to be installed. So the default location is C program files, JetBrains, and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So if you want to change this default location, just click on Browse and select the folder where you want the installation. Or else just you can accept the default, and just make sure you have at least 1.2 GB space on your machine available. Just click on Next button. And you can see in the next screen you have create desktop shortcut. So you can just click on 64-bit launcher and just accept all the default ones. Update path variable, restart needed. So we can do this later if required. So just click on this next button, and just click on this install button. So it takes a few seconds to install the software. All right, so once the installation is done, so you can see the finish screen here. So it says completing IntelliJ IDEA setup, community edition setup, right? So you can just click this so that the IntelliJ IDEA ID gets open, or just click on this finish. Let's do it manually. Now go to desktop. So you can see a new icon here, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So just right click on it and run as administrator, or you can just double click on it if you're already administrator. And you can see a privacy policy here. So just confirm, accept the terms, confirm it, and just click on continue. So you can just click on don't send. So we don't want to share the statistics. So we'll just click on don't share. And now you can see the IDE open here. I just maximize the window. So this is how the IntelliJ IDEA IDE looks like. So you can see the first, you can see here new project. If you have already a project, you can open it, or if it is the first time, you can just click on new project and create a new project. So just click on new project, and you can see here Java, new project, Maven, Gradle, all these options, JavaFX, Android. So just click on Java, and you can see project SDK. It picks up the default JDK or Java which is installed on your machine. So I have 8 version, so it picked up 8 version. Or else you can actually add another JDK if you wanted to work with another version of JDK. So just click on Java and go click on next button. You can see create project from template. So if you want templates, just click on this and choose the template, or else just accept the default and click on next. And you can here provide some project name. So I'll just say my first project. The project location is by default in the users the username whichever you logged into the machine. So this is the place where your project gets saved. So just click on finish. Now we have our project created in IntelliJ IDEA. So you can see the project here. So these are the tips. So if you want, you can actually go through these tips, or else you can just click on this don't show tips and just close this window. So just expand this project and you can see an SRC folder here. So right click on it, new Java class. So just double click on class here and just name your class. So I'm going to name my Java class as my first class. So my first class has been created. Now I'm going to write the main one small Java program, and to do so I need to create a main method, right? So that is what I'm doing. Public static void main string args, and I'm going to write something on the console. System.out.println. Okay. I'll print it as this is my first program in IntelliJ IDE. So this is my first simple Java program in IntelliJ. So to run this program, just right click and just say run my first class dot main. So it is compiling, and once it is compiled, it builds, and then we'll see the output in the console. You can see the output here. This is what we wanted to print on the console. This is my first program in IntelliJ IDEA IDE. So in this video, we have seen how to download IntelliJ IDEA IDE and how to install it and how to create a project and write a simple Java program in it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.